Welcome back to the Chivers Finelines YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So we've got a new release for you. Yes, it is another 009 kit. This is RC815 Bogey Steel Peat Wagon. This kit has been developed by the man himself, Roger Chivers, and is based upon the board Namona peat wagons. But we'd like to think that it being a modern steel wagon, you could use it for a multitude of industries. Coal, iron ore, absolutely anything. Again, this is our usual plastic injection moulded kit. The kit requires 6.2mm wheels, couplings of your own choice, and paint to complete. This kit is priced at £10 plus post and packaging and is available right now. For all you wondering, are we just going to keep doing 009 kits? The answer is no. We are not just going to keep doing them. We do have other projects in other scales and gauges in development. Some of them already on the machines as we speak, some of them on the drawing board, some of them, you're just going to have to wait and see. Bide with us, there is stuff coming. There's only me doing the production side. My dad, Roger Chivers, he's tinkering away with many little projects and new ideas in the background, like he has done for many years. He just likes playing, really. But we do get new kits like the one that we've just released today, which is fantastic, and it's a cracking little model. Thank you for watching, stay safe, happy modelling, and we'll see you in the next video. Laters.